I'm really sorry not to be in New York, not only because it is a marvelous city, but also because we want to enjoy every opportunity of supporting EPODE. We consider the EPODE program as one of our babies, the babies of a European strategy against obesity. So we would like to also support the European program that has become now an international network. But children are in fact a priority of the European Union strategy against obesity. And EPODE is in fact mentioned as an example of the kind of model that we wanted to see in the European Union when we adopted our strategy more than 6 years ago. And we are happy to see that this is a methodology that spread from one country to more in the European Union. In fact, the European Commission has supported the spread of the EPODE program through funding from the European Union's public health program so that it could move to other parts of Europe. The reason why we supported EPODE is exactly the model it promotes, a model of bringing together stakeholders ranging from industry to non-government organizations and the civil society, bringing together the scientific community, bringing together the academics, and more importantly, the local element, because the only way we can find obesity is if we go where the people are and if we target actually the groups that we want to help. Well, EPODE per se has an added value because, as I said, it created a unique model, a model of bringing together the right people who are needed if we want to have an impact through a program. We saw it work in Europe. We saw it bringing results in one specific country by actually reversing the trends of obesity in 2 different cities in Europe. Why not see that spread in the rest of the world? The only requirement for this program to work in other parts of the world is what we did in Europe. It needs support. It needs support from the governments, it needs support from the local authorities, and it needs real support in terms of bringing the right resources, be that human or financial, of course.